Hi guys, welcome to video number, 37 of my interpretive dance masterclass, 37 of my mime masterclass, my black and white minstrel masterclass, 37 of my sound effect masterclass. Basically, lots of people coming up to me on my tour saying that your sound effects are tight, sound effects are really good, and you should probably lay a few things down on YouTube. Plus, lots and lots of requests coming through for me to do all sorts of new different sound effects. I mean, just to show you the sound effects I can do, I really want to do a little guessing game with you. I want to do a sound effect, and then I want you to guess it in your head or even out loud if you want to play it. If you want to play it with friends, that's cool as well. And you can even keep score at your party. I went to the trouble of making like a mock scorecard because this. Chirp, chirp, click, click, fizz, glug, 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 glug. If we stick to our story, everything will be fine. I've had loads of requests through about my black and white minstrel type thing. Everybody seems to be responding positively about it. Seems to be like some sort of uniting force.